So this is how I make MRCP films. The first film is a T2 coronal film, and the second one is a T2 axial film. The third one is a T2 trophy fat set axial film, and the fourth one is a T2 thick slice film. Here I print 8 images of thick slice images, and below I gave 2 inverted images, total 8 images. And the fifth one is a 3D film. I print 1 3D film, and this is a 12 format film. So these 5 films I print out for MRCP. I am showing again: T2 coronal, T2 axial, T2 trophy fat set axial, T2 thick slice, and a 3D image. Thank you.